Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Let's talk hip circles here on your Spine Corrector.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So, my gosh, hip circles on the mat are so hard. And the truth is you're probably always going to think that they're hard, even when they're possible. But what's nice about the Spine Corrector is it really lets you kind of isolate how to work your legs from your center without having to do it all from gravity yourself, right? So, there's no really order, but I like to, if your RDTs are facing out, you could just do your hip circles. You could also just do your hip circles. Like, that's the cool thing with the barrels. There's not really an order unless you're in a series, okay? So if you're using the barrels flashcard deck from onlinepilatesclasses.com, you'll see that when there's a series, there's an order, but when there's no series, it is a free-for-all. What does your body need? What does your practice need? So you would set yourself up where your pelvis is supported from this little crease inside your spine corrector, and you can have your hands on these handles. Now, my arms aren't going to be straight, probably. Yours might, but we're all different. And then you're going to circle these legs as big as you can, keep lifting your chest up and working your legs from your waist. So you should feel your stomach. You should feel your outer hips. You should feel your inner thighs. Woo! Few in each direction. Reach up for your teaser and rest. So really fun for learning how to reach our arms and not rest into our arms. It's going to help open up your chest. It's just really quite lovely. And it's a good booster. So if the hip circles on the mat are just like feeling like they're all quaddy, or you're resting your wrist, then skip it on the mat. And then after your mat practice, come here, give it a whirl until you build up that practice, build up that strength and that stamina, and then add it into your mat practice. So the barrels are so good for teaching us what we need. Thank you so much for watching this. If you have any questions, feel free to put in the comments below. I go live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time answering your questions. It's really fun because when we're live, you can ask more questions, which is great. And if you'd like feedback on your form, accountability, and a really cool members only group in our OPC app, then go to onlinepilatesclass.com/YouTube.